morning, children. Welcome to all. Today I am going to teach about the topic the Earth in the solar system. This topic comes under the subject geography. Now, first start with geography. Is derived from Greek word geo means earth, graph means writing, geography. Find out more about the earth. For example, origin in Greek word geology, study of the earth. Geometric means measurement of the earth. Let us go to the topic the earth in the solar system. Where we live? We are living in the earth. The solar means soul in Roman mythology is the sun god. Roman means sun god. Solar means related to sun. The family of the sun is therefore called the solar system. Moon only once a month on the Purnima night. Can we see the sky every time same size of the moon on sky? No, it is not. Whereas on the 15th night after that there is no moon in the sky, that is new moon night. You look at the sky, the moon appear differently on different night, like the full moon night occurs once every month. The Amavasya night occur about 15 days after the Purnima. Celestial body. The stars and the moon are celestial bodies which are visible only at the night in the sky. During the daytime, the power of the sunlight invisible. Stars are celestial body that are big and hot. A star. The sun is a star. Celestial bodies are big and hot since they are made up of gas. They are called stars. The sun is also a star. It is a huge celestial body made up of extremely hot gases. It provides the heat and light for the whole of the solar system. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. Why do we not feel the heat and light of the stars? Even though they are so big and hot, we do not feel the heat and light of the stars since they are very far away. Means a different group of stars forming various pattern is called a constellation. Ursa Major is a constellation. Ursa Major, another name is Big Bear. Saptarishi, another name is Small Bear. Sapta means 7 stars. Rishi means sangs. It is a group of 7 stars that form a part of large Ursa Major constellation. In ancient time, the people used to determine the direction during the night with the help of stars. What is the pole star? Pole star indicates the north direction. It is also called pole star. We can locate the position of the pole star with the help of the Saptarishi. Sea planet. The word planet means wanderers, celestial body that do not have their own heat and light. They reflect the light they get from the stars. Such body are called planet. All the planets move around the sun in their own orbit. Planets are divided into inner planet and outer planet. Let us go to the solar system. How many planets are there in our solar system? There are 8 planets in our solar system. What are they? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. What are the inner planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. These are inner planets. Very close to the sun. They are made up of rock. What are the outer planets? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are outer planets, very far from the sun and are huge planets made up of gas and liquids. These 8 planets don't change and write. Easy to memorize the name of 8 planets in order to distance from the sun. For example, my very educated mother just served us nuts. See, the beginning of letters is in the same of first letter of the planet. For example, my M for Mercury, V for Venus, E for Earth. To see the picture, the solar system. The sun is the head of the solar system. The first planet is Mercury. It is nearest planet to the sun. It takes just about 88 days to revolve once around the sun. it is extremely hot since it is close to the Sun. It is also the smallest planet. Second planet, Venus. Venus is the second closest planet to the Sun. It is similar to Earth in shape and size. It is called Earth twin. Third planet is Earth. One orbit around the Sun is 365 days. One spinning axis 1 day. Number of moon 1. Fourth one, March. March 1 orbit around the Sun is 687 days. One spinning axis 1 day. Number of moon 2. Which is the biggest planet? Jupiter is the biggest planet. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, these three planets are ring planet. Which is the last planet? Neptune is the last planet. Why? Because the very far away from the Sun. Still, August 2006, Pluto was also a planet. Scientists discovered two more small planets, Eris and Ceres. They are called dwarf planets. The Earth is the third nearest planet to the Sun. In size, it is fifth largest planet. Why the Earth is called blue planet? The Earth appears blue from when seen from the outer space. Since it has over 2/3 of water, so it is called blue planet. What is geoid? Geoid means an Earth-like shape. The moon is the only natural satellite of our planet Earth. It is about 3,84,400 km away from the Earth. How much time does the moon take to revolve once around the Earth? The moon takes approximately 27 days to revolve once around the Earth. A satellites of two types. One is natural satellite, another one is artificial satellite. Moon is a natural satellite. Artificial satellite is a human-made satellite. Scientists to gather the information about the universe or communication. It is carried by a rocket and placed in the orbit around the Earth. These are called artificial satellite. For example, Indian satellite in space or INSAT. What are asteroids? Asteroids are the numerous tiny celestial bodies which revolve around the Sun and are mainly found between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. What is a meteorite? The small pieces of rock which move around the Sun are called meteorite. Galaxy. A huge system of stars is called galaxy. Milky Way galaxy. A group of many solar systems form a galaxy. Our solar system is in the Milky Way galaxy. What is the universe? The universe is the largest unit in which we live. It is the collection of galaxies. There is only one universe.